Finally close to finish with my little project here. I took a picture of the Orion Nebula that I took from my observatory, built a frame for it, and installed some fiber optic little gizmo in the back. I'll show you in a minute, and it turned out pretty good. I like it. Be a nice display on the wall. My cat Andy, she helped me with it. Okay, let's go around back. Still have to put the canvas on the back, but give you an idea how much work I spent. Probably about 8 hours hot gluing every single one of these fiber optic lines into the back of this picture. And that coffee can lid that I cut up illuminates the center of the Orion Nebula, and also the little, I don't know, I call it the little seeing eye up top of the nebula. That's lit up by just a couple lines going through this piece of wood. And here's a little fiber optic module. It's got some unique features. It's got a spinning wheel, and it changes colors in different areas of the line. And it can change colors, go solid or whatever you want. Let's go around front one more time. Yep. And there's the final product. Let's turn off the lights, see what it looks like. Yeah, that'd be a nice display on the wall. That's all, folks.